Two groundbreaking AI tools, both from OpenAI, both reshaping creativity in 2025. But which one actually wins when you put them head to head? On the left, ChatGPT, your conversational AI that generates and refines images on demand. And on the right, DALL-E, the photorealistic, text-integrating image generator. Let's skip the hype and get straight to the real differences. We'll break down each category, keep score along the way, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The final winner just might surprise you. Okay, before we dive deep, let's just lay out the categories, like a mind map, so you know exactly what we're comparing today. We're going to look at prompt understanding and refinement, text integration in images, speed and workflow, pricing, visual quality and creativity, plus ease of use and learning curve. Got it? Cool. Let's get into the first category. First up, prompt understanding and refinement. So here's the thing. With ChatGPT, you're basically chatting your way through ideas. You can throw it something super complicated, iterate, ask why it made that creative choice, and honestly, it gets context shockingly well. I keep tweaking my idea and ChatGPT tracks it. It remembers the vibe, the details, all of it. The only catch, sometimes those teeny tiny visual details get, sort of smushed. Now, with pure DALL-E, I type my prompt, hit enter, and it spits out good results, especially for complex written prompts or multi-element scenes. But there's none of that back and forth. You want to refine? You're kinda starting over. So for conversational refining, ChatGPT really takes the cake here. Next up, let's talk text integration in images. And okay, I know what you're thinking. Can it actually write readable text in images? ChatGPT does a decent job, especially since it's powered by DALL-E 3. Simple text shows up fine, but sometimes the letters get squished or stylized oddly. Not always billboard worthy. But DALL-E on its own? Genuinely impressive. It's like the go-to for text-heavy images, professional signs, all those Instagram quote posts. Typography is crisp, clear, and way more reliable. Occasionally, even DALL-E can get tripped up with insane complexity, but overall, it's got the edge. The win goes to DALL-E here. All right, how fast can you whip out images? Speed and workflow. ChatGPT is super snappy. You type, it generates instantly. No waiting room for Plus users either. You want to tweak something? You just ask. It's rapid-fire iteration and feels kind of addictive. But, small hiccup. You can't batch out a bunch of images all at once. Now, DALL-E takes about 30 to 60 seconds for each creation, which is solid, and the site itself is stable. But if you want variations, you gotta go manual. And for bulk work, it's just, honestly, kinda tedious. So ChatGPT wins for pure speed and flow. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know DALL-E 3 can actually put readable text in images, and it works in more than a dozen languages? Seriously, I threw French, Japanese, even Greek at it. It just works. That's some next-level international magic. Let's talk about money. Pricing. So ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month, and you get unlimited images within fair use limits, like no per-image fees to keep track of, which is super chill if you're going to create a bunch. Only downside, you do need the subscription to unlock all the cool stuff. But compare that to DALL-E, which is pay-as-you-go. You buy credits, $15 gets you around 100 images. Awesome if you're just messing around occasionally, but if you're aiming for a big project, this can add up really quick. For value, ChatGPT seriously wins. Now, visual quality and creativity. ChatGPT-generated images? Good, reliable, and decent for day-to-day use. But if you're chasing super high-end artistry or something visually jaw-dropping, it's solid, but not mind-blowing. DALL-E, though, photorealism, wild styles, beautiful, complete compositions. It pulls off stuff that really makes you go, wait, how is this even AI? Downside, it's not as easy to tweak images interactively, but the results, pretty epic. Winner here is definitely DALL-E. Last category, ease of use and learning curve. ChatGPT, dead simple. You talk to it like you talk to a person, no techie knowledge needed. It's designed for everyone, and you just jump straight in. Only thing, some pros might wish for advanced controls it just doesn't have. DALL-E's standalone site? Clean, straightforward if you know what you want, but you're managing credits all the time, and it doesn't do that back and forth conversation. For anyone starting out, ChatGPT is the winner. So if we map all these categories onto a radar chart, you'll see ChatGPT is kind of an all-rounder. Awesome for workflow, pricing, and just having a chat to get your idea right. DALL-E spikes up hard in visual quality and text integration. Different flavors depending on what you need. All right, here's my honest take. If you're brainstorming, planning, or you need to create a bunch of options before picking your favorite, ChatGPT with DALL-E is unbeatable. For the pure visuals, like when you want that magazine cover, professional sign, or a photorealistic wow factor, DALL-E on its own will blow your mind. Personally, I use ChatGPT for the creative hustle, and then switch to DALL-E for the final polished image. So, ready to make something cool with AI? Kick off your workflow with ChatGPT and polish things up with DALL-E 3 when you need those pro visuals. Stick around for more tool battles, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to check the next episode.